Today I am reviewing the MYTHIA 4D massage chair. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The 4D mechanism is what really sets this apart from the standard rollers you might find in less expensive chairs. In the world of massage tech, 4D usually means that the rollers don't just go up and down and side to side, but they also vary in depth and speed to simulate the feel of human hands. It can pull away from the back and press in, which allows for a much more nuanced massage. When you combine this with the body scan technology, the chair actually maps your frame before it starts, which prevents the rollers from digging into your shoulder blades or missing the target areas entirely. That customization is critical. If you have ever sat in a chair that just bashes your spine without adjusting to your height, you know how uncomfortable it can be. This chair avoids that by identifying your pressure points first. Let's talk about the zero-gravity feature, which is often marketed as a premium perk, but is actually a functional necessity for a good massage. By elevating your legs above your heart level, it distributes your body weight across the chair's backrest. This significantly reduces the pressure on your spine and allows the massage rollers to work much more effectively because your back is pressed firmly against the mechanism by gravity itself. When I look at the 12 auto programs, I see a good variety for different needs. Modes like the office mode, which focuses on shoulder tension, or the senior mode, which is much more gentle, make this a versatile appliance for a household where multiple people might be using it. Having that range is important because some days you want a deep tissue assault on your knots, and other days you just want something rhythmic and soothing to help you wind down before bed. The airbag compression therapy is something that can be polarizing, but on this model, it seems well implemented. You have airbags for the shoulders, arms, waist, hips, calves, and feet. For someone who spends a lot of time on their feet or working at a desk, the leg and foot compression is a massive benefit. The foot rollers specifically are designed for reflexology, using a deep kneading action to stimulate those nerves. It is not just a squeeze, it is an actual working of the foot tissue. However, one criticism of any full-body airbag system is that it can feel a bit restrictive if you are someone who likes to shift around during a massage. You are essentially locked into the chair, while the bags inflate and deflate. It is an immersive experience, but it is not for someone who gets claustrophobic easily. The inclusion of heat in the back and waist is a standard feature for good reason. It helps loosen up the muscles before the rollers get to work, making the massage much more effective. Cold, tight muscles are hard to manipulate, so the heat is a functional part of the recovery process. The fact that this is integrated into a 4D system means you are essentially getting a heated deep tissue massage, which is arguably the most valuable aspect of the chair. It is helpful for anyone dealing with chronic lower back pain or stiffness from long hours of sitting. In terms of convenience, the Bluetooth connectivity and app control are nice modern touches. Being able to change the settings from your phone is far easier than fumbling with a remote in the dark. The wireless charging pad is also a thoughtful inclusion. If you're going to be sitting there for 20 or 30 minutes, it makes sense to have a place to top off your phone battery. The built-in speakers are fine for listening to podcasts or ambient music, but do not expect them to replace a dedicated sound system. They are clear enough for voice, but they lack the bass response for a truly cinematic musical experience. Now, we need to address the reality of owning a machine this size. It arrives 95% pre-assembled, which is a huge relief, but it is still a massive object. It is designed to roll through standard 30-inch doorways, which means it will fit in most homes, but you need to be realistic about the footprint. It is not going to blend into the background like a standard recliner. It is a piece of technology that will dominate the room. Also, while the 3-year coverage and the support system provide peace of mind, maintenance is something to think about. These chairs have a lot of moving parts. Over time, the leatherette material can wear, and the mechanical parts might need servicing. This is not a set-it-and-forget-it appliance. It is a complex machine, and treating it with care is important to get the most out of your investment. The weight limit and the tall-friendly design are worth noting as well. Many massage chairs are built for a generic average height, which leaves taller users feeling cramped or improperly aligned. The MYTHIA design seems to account for longer leg lengths, which is great for anyone who has struggled with footrests that don't actually reach their heels. If you are particularly tall or large, you will appreciate that the chair doesn't feel like it is trying to fold you in half. However, if you are on the smaller side, you should ensure that the neck massage intensity is adjustable enough that it doesn't end up hitting the base of your skull. Fortunately, the manual options allow you to change the width and intensity of the rollers, which should help mitigate this. When I look at who should avoid this, it is mostly people who are looking for a gentle, simple recliner. This chair is a powerful tool, not a lounge chair for taking an afternoon nap. If you have any underlying health conditions, especially involving your spine or circulatory system, you should talk to a doctor before using a chair with this much pressure and heat. It is a high-intensity experience, and it is not meant to be a replacement for medical therapy. You should also be prepared for the fact that a 4D massage can be quite aggressive. If you are accustomed to very light pressure, you will need to spend time in the settings to dial everything down, or you might find the default settings to be too intense for your comfort. Where it performs best is as a recovery station for people who are active or who have physically demanding jobs. If you're a runner who needs calf recovery or a desk worker with chronic shoulder and neck tension, this is going to save you a lot of time and money that you would otherwise spend on regular massage appointments. You are essentially front-loading the cost of professional bodywork into the chair itself. If you use it regularly, the value becomes obvious. If you are only going to use it once a month, it is an expensive way to fill a corner of your room. The aesthetic, in black, is fairly neutral and modern. It doesn't look like a medical device, which is an improvement over the older generations of massage chairs that looked like they belonged in a dentist's office. It fits into a contemporary living room well enough. The LED lights and the overall design language are clearly trying to lean into a futuristic, premium feel, and for the most part, it succeeds. It feels like a high-end appliance. One potential downside to keep in mind is the learning curve of the software. With 12 auto programs and a manual mode that allows you to change speed, width, and technique, it can be a bit overwhelming at first. You will likely find 2 or 3 programs that you love and ignore the rest, which is normal, but it does mean you should be prepared to spend the first week or 2 experimenting. Don't be afraid to use the manual settings to override the default intensities. If you feel like a specific program is too intense, the remote gives you the power to change the roller width or pressure. Don't just sit there and endure it. Customize it until it feels right for your body. The use of an SL track is really the primary reason to choose this over a cheaper chair with a shorter track. The transition from the back rollers to the glute rollers needs to be smooth, and on this model, it is. There is no awkward gap where the massage stops and starts, which is a common complaint in budget chairs. The coverage is continuous. That is what you are paying for: the continuity, the depth of the 4D rollers, and the sheer amount of airbag coverage. It is a complete system. Regarding the build, the materials used for the outer shell and the interior upholstery feel durable enough for daily use. It is a synthetic material that is easy to wipe down, which is essential because you will be sweating during those deep tissue sessions. Maintaining the chair is as simple as a quick wipe with a damp cloth. You don't need fancy cleaners, just something non-abrasive that won't dry out the material. If you are a fan of reflexology, the foot rollers will be your favorite part. Many chairs have basic footrests, but this one puts a real emphasis on the arches and heels. It is quite invigorating. After a long day, it is honestly one of the best ways to decompress. The only thing is to make sure you are wearing socks if you find the roller intensity too sharp on your bare skin. It is a common trick, but it makes the experience much more pleasant if you are sensitive to pressure. The zero-gravity feature is more than just a gimmick. It really changes the way the massage feels. When you are sitting upright, the rollers are just pushing against your back muscles. When you are in zero gravity, the chair is pushing your body weight back into the rollers, which gives you a deeper, more consistent pressure. It is a more efficient way to get a massage, and after you try it, you will likely never want to go back to a standard upright massage chair. Ultimately, is it worth it? If you have the space for it, and you are looking for a reliable way to manage muscle tension at home, then yes. It is a high-quality piece of technology that offers a level of care you can't get without a human professional. You are trading that human interaction for the convenience of being able to get a massage whenever you want, as long as you want, and without having to leave your house. For many people, that convenience is worth the investment. It is a serious machine for serious relaxation, and as long as you understand that it requires space and regular maintenance, it delivers a very satisfying experience that holds up over time. It is not perfect, no machine is, but it checks all the boxes for a high-performance, full-body recovery tool that is designed to last and provide consistent relief. When you're sitting in it after a long, stressful day and the heat kicks in, the rollers find that one spot in your shoulder, and you feel the tension just melt away. You stop thinking about the price and the footprint, and you just start enjoying the quiet luxury of having a spa in your home. That is the point of the whole thing.